Hey, what's going on guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the CSS syntax. So we have every language have its own syntax, but if you are familiar with any backend language or scripting language, you will realize that the CSS or cascading slide sheets, this type of languages have a weird syntax at usual. So let me show you if you are familiar with those. And yeah, if you we are using HTML for that, I have a good tool called emit. So here, just press the factorial and press tab, and you will understand we can get what we call a boilerplate for our HTML. Now what I'm gonna do is let me show you just a few what we call selector and declaration, which are the syntax. So how we gonna declare syntax in what we call CSS. So the way we declare are three types, which will be later. I will teach you how we gonna do that, but for now just watch this. I press H2, aka heading, and you can type syntax under a style attribute. So first thing, this is called selector, and that is the first thing you need to do. And inside the attribute you need to specify each and every. So do you want to specify color, so you can type color. And after that, if you want to change into red, so red. For that to happen, you need to type like color is called declaration. This is what is called declaration, and this is what is property. The here it is property, and whole is declaration, and this is the value of that property. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.